Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. Doge continues to be in the overall sideways range here. The same one, really, that we've been in since December. And overall, the market moved down a bit, moved up a bit, is coming down again, back to support. It is reasonable to see this move up here as a potential bullish structure as long as we are holding above the 26.3 cent level, which is the swing low from the 20th of December. Really, though, I wouldn't really want it to break much below 29 cents. But essentially, if it goes down too much, it will likely morph into a larger wave fall. Okay, so those are the patterns I'm watching. It's just that I've added some Fibonacci micro support that might be worth watching. I think it's projecting down to 29 cents. That might be a good level to watch. 28. That doesn't mean they turn. That doesn't mean the price turns around there, but it means it's definitely a level of interest to watch. So 29 cents, 28.5, 28 cents, and then 26.3. These are the next key Fibonacci levels to watch there. I see this here as potential 5-wave move down. Ideally, we don't. I mean, below 26.3 cents. It doesn't really look like a 5-wave move down anymore. Might need to think about a reinterpretation. Essentially, it's just important now to understand the trend is still down locally, and we will soon approach the main support area again that the price already used back in December to find support. So while it looks like a sharp decline right now, we are really just entering the same phase, the same price range that the price used to find support. Yeah, back in December, like a month ago, really, a bit more than a month ago. And I know it's been a choppy move, absolutely. So it is a bit weird. The structure can still work as a wave one to the upside, but yeah, we need to see some kind of a reaction to a low, something that will look like what happened here back in December. And essentially the 25-cent level should be a good support level. Ideally we find support above, but 25 cents is sort of the level below which I will have to change the, let's say, the macro chart, the larger time frame chart. Yeah, I think it's definitely interesting as we're now approaching that support area again. And we will need, however, a first 5-wave move or something like a reaction to get a first idea that a low has formed, that the market is motivated to turn around. And overall, so far, I mean, this is one, I would say, from all the altcoin charts, this is one of the better looking ones. Doesn't mean it's great, okay? Doesn't mean it's great. It certainly also can't really get moving as long as Bitcoin is in the current sideways range and also caught in corrections. But yeah, that's definitely one of the ones here with a clearer structure. Many altcoins are topping after 3 waves. This chart at least formed a somewhat usable 5-wave move that we can actually work with. So yeah, overall, I don't think there is much more to say. Obviously, what it needs as a first, let's say, more or less reliable signal that a low has formed would be a break here above the recent high, 31st of January high at 34.3 cents. That's the update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.